Well, we finally reached below seasonal average into the 80s, the low 80s, and this cool down is just going to continue into the start of the week before we start warming up again. So seasonal average in Palm Springs, 86 degrees. Our high today, 82. Now, the reason for this is because of low pressure. As it continues to dip down, we're going to be feeling the impacts tomorrow and into Tuesday with those temperatures cooling down even more. High pressure, though, is moving in. You see it off right over there to the Pacific Northwest. Well, that is going to be bringing those temperatures back up as we head through the rest of the week. So we are going to have a couple more cool days in the 70s for the next 2 days. A wind advisory in place through 10 p.m. tonight for the Coachella Valley, and then we pick back up again 2 a.m. to 11 p.m. on Monday. Sustained winds to 35 miles per hour with this advisory, and gusts could reach up to 60 miles per hour. For areas with the high wind warning, well, that's the darker yellow color. It includes areas of the high desert as well as areas west, parts of Beaumont, and that gusts could reach up to 70 miles per hour. Now, we are going to be dealing with a shift in the winds. So as we head through the overnight tonight and into tomorrow, we're dealing with the northwest winds shifting to a northeast pattern, that Santa Ana pattern, causing, well, fire weather. So a red flag warning in place for the areas shaded in pink, including the high desert as well as areas west. That's from 2 a.m. Monday to 6 p.m. Tuesday, and that's because those humidity levels are dropping as well as those winds picking up with those gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour. Right now, over out in Whitewater, 58 miles per hour for the gusts to 18 miles per hour in Palm Desert, 26 in Palm Springs. Over in Thermal, dealing with gusts to 21 miles per hour. Now, as we take a look at your future wind gust model through the overnight hours tonight, around 11 o'clock, those winds on the valley floor nearing 40 miles per hour for some areas along the 10. But watch the wind gusts just shift. You see those lines there shifting to that northeasterly pattern, and Monday, 6 a.m., nearing 70 miles per hour for the high desert, Desert Hot Springs and Yucca Valley at 68 miles per hour. So those winds sticking with us throughout the day on Monday. Your Comfort Air 7-day forecast shows those temperatures continuing to cool. 71 for Monday, 78 for Tuesday before we start warming back up into the 80s and 90s. But look at those overnight lows, 50 for that overnight.